Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the sports applications on this watch. So first we need to open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you will see the home page. Now tap on the device icon in the top left corner to open the device page. Here you should see your SUUNTO Vertical 2. Now find the category called My SUUNTO Sports Apps, tap on it, and here we have the list of applications that are installed and not installed on our watch, or were previously installed basically. And if you want to uninstall some application, you can find it right here. Tap on uninstall button next to it, and then tap on sync now, and once it's done syncing, the app will basically be removed from your watch. You can tell by this icon disappearing basically from the app. We have this watch icon on it. That means that the app is synced to on our watch. If it's not, the icon will disappear. Okay, and basically that's how you uninstall applications or sports applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.